everybody, welcome back to the channel Security. My name is Sera-Therise, and today I will show you how to set up a student account on Azure. We're gonna start on the Microsoft Azure website and gonna set up a student account for now. If you don't have a Microsoft account, I will use my personal account for this. You can create one really quick. But with this account, we're gonna set up the student verification process. After we selected our account, we're gonna type in all of our personal information for the academic verification. Um, since I don't want you to know all my personal details, I will do that off camera. Mostly your first name, last name, where you live, the university you're going to, and your student email address. It's important that it's your student email address because you're getting a link over this email to verify that you're a student. It took roughly 10 minutes for the link to arrive. Now we have to verify our account by telling the capture that we're human. We're just gonna do that. We're gonna sign in with the same account that we use for the verification. If it's your first time logging in into Microsoft Azure wants to give you a tour, you can follow that. But I will show you how to set up your subscription. Go on settings and into the tab subscriptions, or you search for subscriptions over here. As you can see, my Azure for Students is active and at the current cost of $0. If your subscription is not automatically in your account, just check the email you created the Microsoft account with, and there should be a code and a subscription ID from Microsoft for your Azure for Students. If you're like me and you just want to test out the products on Azure, I will show you how to do that, but you can also use Microsoft Azure for private use. First of all, what I normally do is create a resource group. In your resource group, you're going to put all your items you want to set up. For example, the virtual VM or a load balancer. I'll just gonna call it RG01, and we're gonna set it on the East US. You can set up tags if you want, but I think for the sole purpose of showing you how Azure works, it's not necessary. You're just gonna wait for the validation and then gonna hit create. So, okay, I'm gonna set up a virtual machine with you. It always depends on what you want to use the machine for. So we have different options. First, the basics is you're gonna choose your subscription. In our case, it is Azure for Students, and you're gonna choose the same resource group that we created earlier. Then you're gonna set up the details for your machine, so the region of the data center you're gonna use, in our case, is the East US, and the different availability zone and the image the virtual machine is using. After that, the size and the administration kind. You can use an SSH public key, or you can set up a username and password for yourself. I'm gonna choose the public key version and let Azure generate the new key pair. I'm gonna create the virtual machine right now, and we're gonna wait for its deployment. In the next video, we're gonna talk more about Azure products, especially confidential computing. So don't forget to check the next video. So let's take a look in the resource group. You can see that our resources, the virtual VM, is in here. You can also create access control. We're not going to do that for now. If you just want to play with Azure a bit and learn about all their cloud products, the best way to efficiently cut costs is after you delete the whole resource group with everything inside. So the components in the resource group are not running your Azure credits. So while this is deleting, this was everything I'm gonna show you today. I hope you had fun and thank you for watching.